What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Several of you guys and gals have asked some valid questions, and it's my goal to address them. This video's probably not going to matter to most of you, but for those of you that have been wondering why things have been changing on this channel, well, this video's for you. So let's address what's going on here. I know a lot of you are here for Uber, Lyft / rideshare related content, and there hasn't been a lot of that lately. Now, if you look around at some other channels out there, you'll notice that there are videos being made daily, sometimes more than a video a day, relating to things in the rideshare space. Now, here's the thing. I've been doing this for over 4 years. I've been here. I think, I'm not 100% certain, but I believe I was the first creator to make content specifically relating to Uber. So I got a lot of experience here, and my subscriber base is organic, and I'm proud of that. What I mean by organic is I earned all 45,000 subscribers. That's no paying for content placement, no fancy search engine optimization, no Facebook ad campaigns, nothing. The subscriber base I have on this channel was earned, 100% legit. It was not bought and paid for. Now, with that being said, there are some channels out there that do that, and there's nothing wrong with it. But I'm very proud that I earned legitimately the subscriber base that I have today. So why am I not reporting on more stuff? The reason is the space is flooded with new vloggers. I don't have a problem with that. I welcome everybody into the space to do what they do. But with so many videos being posted on every possible subject, if a video or a story does not directly affect your earnings or your ability to drive and make money, or drastically changes the way we do things, I don't see the point in wasting your time with a video. Now, that's not to say that other people that are making 2, 3, 4 videos a day are wasting your time. I'm not saying that. Everybody is entitled to do with their channel whatever they want, however they feel works best for them. But for me, I'm not seeing anything. Like, for example, the Google, Waymo, Uber lawsuit that was just settled for $200 and some million, right? I had no intention of doing a video on it. Everybody else did, and it was great for views. But what does this lawsuit have to do with you? Does this lawsuit change how much money you're going to make? Does it change your ability to make money? Does it change the way you drive? No, it doesn't change anything. So what's the point in the video other than to generate views and generate revenue? So, with that being said, I gave it a lot of consideration. I decided, we're going to add some different content to this channel. For example, flipping cars through Copart. Now, I've had some people ask, why don't you just create another channel for Copart cars? Well, that's simple. YouTube has recently made changes that make it next to impossible for a small channel or a new channel to make any money. And let's be realistic, vlogging is fun, making videos is fun, but it's also a lot of work. There's a lot of work behind the scenes that go into making a video. For example, a video I made yesterday, it was an 8-minute video. That video, it was 2 hours or so of work, and then another hour and a half of editing. That doesn't include the time to produce the video and then upload the video. There's a lot of time spent in this. So while it is fun, it's important that we get paid for the work that we do so that you can enjoy the content we create. So starting another channel is not an option because there will be no revenue in it. It will take forever to grow a subscriber base, blah, 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 stuff you don't care about. It all boils down to the money. Let's be realistic. I'm not going to BS you. I'm not going to make some fancy stories to make things sound better than they really are. The truth is, I don't create another channel because it would take too long to build up a sustainable revenue stream to keep that channel going. So that's what it is. It's about the money, and anybody that says different is a liar. Now, I've always been open and honest and transparent with all of you, and I'm going to continue to do that. I am a no BS type of guy. I don't need to come up with fancy, cute stories to keep your attention. If you don't like the content on this channel, I would like to say Thank you for the time that you spent with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. And if you're not interested in the things that I'm doing, please feel free to unsubscribe. I don't want you to unsubscribe, but I don't want you to have to type out long complaints to me about the content on my channel. If it bothers you that much, please unsubscribe and enjoy the content that some of these new creators are providing for you. And thank you for the time that you shared with me. For the rest of you that want to stay, thank you for staying. I truly do appreciate my subscribers. Now, I know that flipping cars, buying cars on Copart doesn't relate to rideshare. But the fact is what I'm doing on here is a good opportunity to show you other ways of making money. Or an even better way of finding a car that you could do Uber or Lyft with, or another rideshare service or whatever, at a much cheaper price than you would otherwise get it for, in turn saving you money. Some of these videos may show you some things that you didn't know how to fix. Maybe it'll give you a better understanding of how your car works, whatever. Even though it doesn't directly tie into Uber and Lyft and ride sharing, there are some commonalities between them. So I hope that the content I continue to provide finds you in good spirits and good health and all of that. I do appreciate you guys watching. And one last thing before I go, the 45,000 subscribers that I have now were genuinely organic and earned. Now, with that being said, I have decided to start promoting on social media. I'm using search engine optimization. I'm using Facebook's Power Editor Pro. And I am targeting specific audiences around the country. So although I earned the 45,000 I have today, I have watched a substantial increase in my subscriber base. Organically, I was gaining around 1,100 to 1,500 a month without any paid advertising. Now that I'm advertising, I've watched it go up to about 2,500. So we're talking over double what I was getting before as subscribers go every month. So that's huge. So from this point on, I am going to be using SEO. I am going to be promoting on Facebook and Instagram and things of that nature. It just makes sense. Other people are doing it. I'm happy that I gained the 45,000 that I got organically. But again, I didn't have to tell you this. There's no reason for me to tell you this. I tell you this because I hope that it shows you my integrity. I hope it shows you that I am an honest person. I'm always going to be upfront and honest with my viewers, just like I always have. Now, we have something new from Petasoft. Blackview. This is an unreleased camera. It's not a prototype, it's past prototype. This is a production model, but it's not a full production model. This is a test model that I have been sent that does have infrared, and it is for a more budget-oriented audience, and Blackview thought you guys would be interested in it. Now, I can't do an unboxing, and I can't show you what it is, and I can't tell you much about it, but I did want to do this little shout out to Blackview and let you guys know that a video will be coming when they tell me I can release it. As of now, I'm not allowed to share any of the details with you, other than this is a 2-channel with infrared, and it's a more budget-minded camera. I'm very excited to be able to release that information to you guys. Now, with all that out of the way, any of you guys are interested in seeing some of my pictures and posts before videos go up, and some things that may not be in videos at all, check me out on Instagram. It's Randy Shear 405. That's RandyShear 405. That is my Instagram account. I'd appreciate it if you follow me on there. And don't forget Twitter. That's at UbermanYoutube. At UbermanYoutube. That's all one word. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with everything that's going on. I truly do appreciate all of you, and I hope you stay and continue this journey with me as we branch off into some other paths and do some other things. Now, I do intend to continue providing Uber, Lyft, and general rideshare content. I also fully intend to get back on the road driving very, very soon. And I'm hoping that I can do some more of those car videos that I used to do, some in-car videos, and share my experience with you driving for Uber and Lyft. That is something I am working on, and I'm getting really close to. Really close. I'm really hoping to use the Impala for this because it's more comfortable than the Cruise. But I did want to let you know, I do plan to get back to driving. Not full-time, definitely part-time, but I know you guys love that content, and I want to bring that back to this channel for you. Understand that driving for Uber and Lyft does not pay me anything. Please understand that I'm not going to make anything off of driving. So the content I provide from driving is strictly for you guys. The truth of the matter is, at 60 cents a mile now, I will make more off of this video right here in a month than I will make driving for Uber and or Lyft in a month. That's just a fact. But I could definitely use the mileage deduction. So there is a perk there. The mileage deduction will help offset the taxes because the IRS really hit me hard this year. So, you know, I can use that as a benefit. The video will help pay, plus whatever income I make from Uber and Lyft will help too. But the big deal is, I can bring you the content that you guys enjoy, that you guys have been missing, and I'm really working on getting back to some of that for you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank all of you again. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Stay safe out there. Uber and Lyft on.